Good afternoon, everybody. It's the 4th of August. I'm sorry, 4th of September. We're up here at the mining area. We're going to be putting our trailers up here very soon so that we can be up here full time. In order to be up here full time, one of the major issues was being able to communicate. In case of emergency, we really need to be able to communicate with others. As such, we put in a satellite internet system. We're going to have a satellite internet system with voice over IP to be able to communicate back to home and to our partners who are mostly elsewhere. In addition, in order to run the modem, we've set up a solar array. We're going to be running a solar array that will make the internet system work for us, and we'll have Wi-Fi hookup so that we'll actually have the ability to make a call anywhere along the landing. So if y'all will follow me, we'll head on up and take a look at the solar array. Here at the solar panels, this is our solar array. This solar array will run the modem for the satellite dish, and basically we'll have internet. Heck, we'll be uptown so much we'll even be able to watch TV. So this area up here, as you notice, is covered in brush. We put that solar array in the middle of the brush to make sure that it was out of sight, out of mind, and wasn't tampered with. So what you've just been looking at is where we're going to be parking the trailers. This area was covered in a lot of the buckbrush like what we see up behind me. And basically we've come in and cleared a lot of it to make it so that we're not going to be running over thorns every time we turn around and so on and so forth. Setting up the internet was a priority to be able to come up here and stay full time. We're planning on coming up here until the snow runs us out or the fires run us out like it did last time. And basically we will have 4 people here on site ready to work pretty much 5-6 days a week. We're heavily engaged in trying to get the mine open. We're going to have that puppy open, I hope, by October 1st, and we'll have milling capability coming out. We've got the steel ordered. We're going to be bringing the steel out soon, probably about 2.5 weeks. We'll have the steel on site, and we'll be ready to build a tunnel. So as it goes, we're committed. We're continuing to work hard up here. We will continue to work hard up here to get all of the equipment necessary to do our jobs well and to stay in communication so that we stay safe. Once again, today is September 4th, 2020. This is Tom Heathman, President of Buscar. Y'all have a great afternoon.